meghalayapost.news. Halor gajing Ujor wei unong sungsnong na Assam Sha ka shiri budan burom ka Supreme Court. Halor Ïaki Kam Pynjot Mariang bad balakan noru bakane gajing Pynjot Mariang kalawan ra gajing shlium Sugwati. Ka Central Empower Committee balatung da ka Supreme Court kalawan Jurip ak tangkiling hari Bhoi sing. Kuman penken mau ka Central Empower Committee hak harui terik unaitung arajarapsan kelawan Jurip hak tangkiling hari Bhoi district bakentup nadu USTM kikor telat mau hak tiga tang banwan benia. Halor kita Kam Pynjot Mariang kum kejing pom mikiding mat kejing ti kendau. Kabade hadin bela Ujor persya da wei nong susnong ka Assam ujitul deka syakaying ka shiri dan burom ka Supreme Court. Bad baka Supreme Court kalatung da kete komiti banwan Jurip ikite kijaka bala kendo baka don kejing Pynjot Mariang kum kejing pomding mat kejing ti kendau. Habai keren minta kesengi bad Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi District wa abilais baranwal ulong bahlor ketiga jingwan Jurip ke Central Empower Committee hak tangkiling ke bor Sinsia District ke liu jingtip na ke Tanat Forest ke Sarkar Jela. Ban nakal yang ke bor Sinsia District ke laban siat ru iyo magistrate berkipulit ban senran lang hak ketiga sengi kenang bekanum don kenu ke jingkta ya ke syungsuk syungsan ke paibang. Mulai turu halor ketiga jingwan Jurip ketiga Central Empower Committee ke Supreme Court. Lapan pau bakadai ke jingwan Jurip ikiti kijaka belakano bakadon ke jing Pynjot ya ke Mariang. Kum kejing pomding, kejing ti kendau, ti mau, balau Ujor da wei unong susnong ka Assam, bad balakeno baling ba kini Ïaki Kam Pynjot Mariang, kawan ra kejing shlium Sugwati.
It was a visit of Central Empowered Committee. This committee has been constituted by Honorable Supreme Court. There is a case filed by one person from Assam against some deforestation activities which have been carried out in Meghalaya, and his claim is that this deforestation is leading to floods in Guwahati. As a result of which, a Central Empowered Committee has been constituted by Supreme Court, and on 11th, that Central Empowered Committee undertook its field inspection in the killing area as well as USTM and some of the mining areas. We received information from the Forest Department. Since this matter of deforestation or the alleged earth cutting, etc., they fall in the domain of Forest Department. So the Central Empowered Committee coordinated with the Forest Department. We received information from them regarding this visit. So that's why we have deputed one magistrate and made some law and order arrangements as well.
meghalayapost.news